Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions by doing all the heavy lifting for you. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printers. It's a battle between the Anycubic 4K Plus and the Elegoo Saturn. It's like Godzilla versus King Kong, but with more plastic and less destruction. So grab your popcorn and let's get printing. First up, the Anycubic 4K Plus. This beauty comes in at a wallet-friendly $229. That's right, folks, you can get a 4K plus 3D printer for less than a fancy dinner date. Now, over here on the right, we have the Elegoo Saturn, priced at $352. That's almost $100 more. So unless you're printing money, Anycubic wins this round. The Anycubic 4K Plus features a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD with a 4K Plus resolution. It's like watching your favorite movie in HD. But you can actually touch it. Plus, it's got a scratch-resistant screen protector, perfect for those who treat their gadgets like a cat treats furniture. On the other hand, the Elegoo Saturn boasts a massive 10-inch 12K mono LCD. That's right, 12K. You can see details so fine. You'll start questioning reality. It's also got a 9H hardness tempered glass. If this screen could talk, it would say, "Resin? But bring it on." Elegoo takes this round with its eye-popping display. Let's talk size. And no, I'm not compensating for anything. The Anycubic 4K Plus offers a print volume of 5.6 x 3.5 x 6.5 inches. It's like a tiny yet mighty office cubicle for your prints. But the Elegoo Saturn is the big boss here with a whopping 8.6 2x 4.84 x 9.84 inches. You can print larger models and still have room for a coffee break. Elegoo takes the trophy for print volume. Size does matter, folks. The Anycubic 4K Plus comes with an upgraded LighTurbo matrix. It's like having a superpower that reduces layer lines and eliminates grid lines. Your prints will be smoother than a jazz saxophonist. Elegoo Saturn, however, has a Fresnel collimating light source. Don't know what that means. Neither do I, but it sounds fancy. It ensures uniform light, making your prints look like they were crafted by Michelangelo himself. Elegoo wins this round because who can resist something that sounds that sophisticated? Both contenders have laser-carved build plates for excellent adhesion, but the Anycubic 4K Plus also has a laser-engraved platform that increases model adhesion. It's like super glue on steroids. Your models won't go anywhere. The Elegoo Saturn's build plate is also laser-carved, ensuring your prints stick like a toddler to their favorite toy. This one's a tie, folks. Both plates are stickier than a summer day in the South. Anycubic 4K Plus comes with the Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0. It's free, and it's packed with features like slicing, model repair, and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of slicing software. Elegoo Saturn uses Voxeldance Tango software with 3 printing modes. It's compatible with third-party software like ChitUbox and Lychee Slicer. It's like having a DJ that takes requests. Elegoo wins this round for its versatility. Reviewers say the Anycubic 4K Plus is a great entry-level resin printer, easy to set up and use, and produces high-quality, detailed prints. However, some users had minor issues with the auto-leveling feature and slicing software. On the other hand, the Elegoo Saturn is praised for its large build area, quiet operation, and precision. Although some users faced issues with the screen, but were impressed by the responsive customer service. Both printers have their strengths and are well received by the community. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic 4K Plus is a budget-friendly, feature-packed marvel, while the Elegoo Saturn is the powerhouse with a price to match. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned printer, both of these machines have something to offer. Who's the winner? Well, that's up to you. Drop your comments below and let us know which one you're picking up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.